guys, this is Karen and welcome to Try It and Test It. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing products that I received in the October Fab Bag. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel in case you find my content helpful. And also do activate the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So if you've watched my previous Fab Bag videos, you know the drill. This isn't an unboxing video. I've already used some of the products in here and I'm going to talk to you about my experience. So the theme for this month is Festellar. So one thing I have to mention is this time I received my bag a little late. I usually receive it by the 10th or max by the 14th, but this time I received it around the 20th of the month. I had received an email from Fab Bag mentioning that there was going to be a delay in delivery, but then I saw that there were so many people that had received their Fab Bag, so I was wondering if I was one of the chosen few. Anyway, let's start talking about the products in here. So the first product that I received is the WOC Beauty Stellar Matte Lip Potion. This is priced at rupees 160. So my first impressions of this product was very good. So I thought to myself, here's a lip product that I received in the bag that I can finally pull off. However, post application, when I looked at myself in the mirror, I went like, oh dear. And that's the name of the shade as well. It's called Oh Dear. And I think it has like the perfect shade name. So you've probably noticed that I diss every lip product, lipstick, lip crayon that I get in Fab Bag. But trust me, this really makes me look horrible. I'm going to insert a picture or another clip of me wearing this and you'll understand why I say so. And one observation that I made is that when I apply like the first coat, it's really sheer and then I have to keep reapplying it to get like a proper pigment. And it does mattify on your lips really quick. It doesn't transfer very easily, so that is a good point. But I'm trying to figure out how to use this. I can't just dab it on my lips and smudge it off because the formula doesn't allow me to do that. So I'll have to figure out how to make use of the product. Now the next item that we received in the bag is the Sugar Colourphoner Intense Kajal in the shade 03 Aqua Lung. This is a full-size product and it's priced at rupees 249. So this is currently what I'm wearing on my waterline and on my lids. So they say intense kajal, but I had to go over it a couple of times to get this color. The application also isn't one of the smoothest applications. However, this is the first time that I'm owning a kajal in a different color. I've been using black kajal since forever, so I'm very happy to have got this in the bag. Even though I have my concerns with it, I surely am going to make use of this. So the next item that we received is the Rusk Strawberry Lip Balm. This is again a full-size product and it's priced at rupees 200. So it is a strawberry lip balm and it does have like a mild berry scent to it. It's not your regular strawberry scent, but it is quite nice. It doesn't do the job of hydrating your lips like other lip balms. So at first I thought this was going to be a tinted lip balm, but it's not. Anyways, that's not what I have a problem with. My concern is me dipping this finger in the tub and I have to constantly swirl my finger to get some product out. So they have mentioned over here that go over the entire lips 2 to 3 times if lips are extremely dry. It can be used several times a day if needed. So like I said, it's not like your regular lip balm where you just apply it once and then you reapply it in the next couple of hours. This you have to keep reapplying after every hour. And if you are someone who has extremely dry lips, then I don't think you would be happy with this lip balm. So the second last item that I received is the Kiara Cosmetics Organic Clay Mask. This once again is a full-size product and it's priced at rupees 349. So I've used this face mask twice already. So I'm going to insert another clip where I talk about my experience of this clay mask. Hey, so right now I just cleansed my face with a normal face wash and I have already made my mix. I've taken some of this clay powder and just added a few drops of water and mixed it. Now here they say that you can create a paste by mixing rose water, oil or any fresh juice to the powder. But I don't have rose water, I don't have any fruit juice and I'm a little too scared to use oil. For me the best bet was to use water. I'm going to leave this face mask on for another 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm going to go wash it off. Okay, so here's what my skin looks like after taking off the mask. To be very honest, I don't see much of a difference. The only observation that I made is that it does make my skin feel a little hydrated. I may just go ahead and use a face toner after this. I don't think I'm going to use a moisturizer. Overall, this mask seems quite average, nothing to rave about. And let's get back to the video. So the last item that I received is from Global Beauty Secrets. It's called the French Plum Butter Soap. This once again is a full-size product and it retails for rupees 500. So when I got to know that I'm receiving another product from Global Beauty Secrets, I was like, oh gosh, okay, what do I expect? But then I read the reviews and they seem fine. If you don't understand the context, then refer to my last video. Anyway, once again, I do love the way this is packaged. And the fragrance is really good. So this is one product that I obviously haven't tried out yet, but I can't wait to try this out. Oh, by the way, here's the bag that I received this month. So I have received this bag before in another color in the month of May. So that was all that I received in the Festella Fab bag for this month. If I total the value of all the products, then it comes to around 1,968 and I've just spent 579. To be very honest, I was initially really excited about the products that I was receiving, but post using them, I found it to be quite average. I hope the next month's bag turns out to be better. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you have received your fab bag, let me know what you think of the products that you got. Do like this video and share it across with your friends and family. Please stay safe wherever you are, and I will see you all in my next video.